every time the markets are down, you buy more number of units,
Yes.
the same cost. If you take away market ka downfalls, and your return of SIPs will come down by 3 to 4% at least. These down markets are the one why your SIPs will continue to generate more returns than your regular investment.
Because you are buying more for less this time.
Yes.
30 ईयर्स से आप जब क्लाइंट्स को सर्व कर रहे हैं, तो जिन लोगों ने जनरेशनल वेल्थ जिसको हम कहते हैं, या एक अच्छी वेल्थ जिन्होंने क्रिएट करी है, बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली तो परसेंटेज ग्रोथ की हम बात करते हैं, और जिन्होंने नहीं करी है, उसके अंदर आपको क्या डिफरेंस लगे उनके पैटर्न्स के अंदर, उनके बिहेवियर के अंदर, और उनके पर्सनालिटीज़ के अंदर?
देखिए, फर्स्ट आई थिंक द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इन दिस इज लैक ऑफ डिसिप्लिन. One, lack of discipline. Two, I would say again discipline. And third, again I would say discipline. So
Okay.
discipline is the most important thing. A lot of time, why the discipline gets hampered? The discipline might get hampered because your conviction is not there sometimes, right? So for conviction, you have to understand. Supposing you have started a journey, and there are some short term not so good times. Market may have time correction, market may have price correction. If you understand, if you talk to the person who is helping you and try and understand, don't take everything just like that, but at least understand वो क्या बोल रहा है, उसको सुने तो सही. Is it making logic? Then do it. A lot of times when the bad time comes, we stop listening to others. We take decisions just like that. So if you are in investing world, and specifically from the point of view investment world, and if you want to be sure shot about making money, important is in investments, the so called bad times. What are those bad times? When the markets
Crash.
are down, is actually your best time. Like in case of an SIP, what happens is market giri, you start seeing reports in the news, itni SIPs band ho gayi. Why? Because they don't know the true value of that. वो conviction वहाँ पे miss हो गई. Right?
They are looking at the percentage loss, but they're not understanding कि अब
It's again the past return.
बट NAV भी तो डिस्काउंट पे मिल रही है.
Precisely to understand that right now, in fact, why do we recommend SIP? Because every time the markets are down, you buy more number of units at
Yes.
the same cost. It's a basic mathematics formula.
मैथमेटिक्स, यस.
राइट. अब आप सस्ते में तो खरीदोगे नहीं, ऐसा थोड़ा ना. सस्ते में खरीदना तो आप ज्यादा खरीदोगे.
या
अभी लेटेस्ट निर्मला सीतारमन जी ने GST हटाई कई चीजों से. सो व्हाट इज द पॉजिटिव दैट्स कमिंग आउट ऑफ इट? At some places the consumption will go up. Supposing you are going to go buy a car tomorrow, ऐसा नहीं है you will buy 2 cars, but you will probably upgrade your car.
या
Because
और
you are
बेटर
saving
मॉडल.
10%.
पहले टॉप मॉडल नहीं ले सकते थे, अब टॉप मॉडल ले लेंगे.
That's what I'm saying.
Yes.
Better your car. Just like that. And this is for you and me. But for a lot of people, maybe they were not able to buy that two-wheeler also. Now they can. For so many regular goods. So consumption कहीं ना कहीं फर्क आता है. उस एग्जाम्पल को वापस यहाँ पे लेकर आते हैं. जब चीज सस्ती हो रही है तो ज़्यादा खरीदना बेसिक लॉजिक है. अभी उस लॉजिक को नहीं छुड़ाओ जस्ट बिकॉज अगेन आपके इमोशन ने आपको रोक दिया. राइट. तो आपको यू हैव टू बी वेरी फोकस्ड इन मेरे को क्या करना है. यू हैव टू कंटिन्यू डूइंग इट. अगर इफ यू टेक अवे, इनफैक्ट देयर आर लॉट ऑफ डाटाज, इफ यू टेक अवे दो सो कॉल्ड मेरे लिए गुड डेज, मार्केट गिरी हुई वाले दिन, इफ यू टेक अवे मार्केट का डाउनफॉल्स, and your return of SIPs will come down by 3 to 4% at least. At least. I'm
That
just
makes
giving you an
sense.
off
That makes sense.
So these down markets are the one why your SIPs will continue to generate more returns than your regular investments.
Because you are buying more for less this time.
Yes.